Good evening everyone. I am Lorbex Tibudan from grade 11 Mount Bulusan. For today's video, let's talk about the multimedia and 21st century. In the 21st century, multimedia has greatly benefited the Philippines by revolutionizing education, business, entertainment, and communication in education multimedia. Tools like ebook, video literature, and interactive application enhance learning experience, making education more accessibly, especially in remote areas. Business, particularly small and medium enterprises, use multimedia for digital marketing, researching a wider audience through social media, website, and online advertisement.